Alright. So, we are rolling in Chicago right now, and, he's showing you some view here, I guess. It is a beautiful day today. And oh my god, dude, look at all that. That is some stuff right there. And we're rolling up to the beach here. So we'll see what we get. There she is. Oh baby. Man, that's some good looking lake right there. And it is some packed parking.
Get the potato park right here real quick, or what?
No, I don't think so. Just pull in.
That's okay. Hey, bro. You got a pay to park right here?
What?
You got a pay to park right here?
No.
You can, I can. Alright, cool.
Let's do it.
Yeah, man.
Let's do it.
That's a good trip out on there.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Let's go.
I'm recording. Yeah, for sure. It's a sweet day today. Get it recorded. Alright. Let's see what we can see. Oh, wow. Some nice looking sky right there. That's interesting. Alright, let's head down. You know, it was supposed to rain today, and other than like at 6 in the morning, it did not. And it has turned out to be quite a pleasant day. Alright, I'm going to switch to Lakeview here.
Oh, you can stream that live on the internet right now?
I am.
Oh.
To where? YouTube. I'm going to upload it directly to my channel.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, man, I ain't no loser. I know how to work the net, baby. Oh my god. Look at this. This is sweet. Dude, is that a gorilla or a... Oh, it's a person. You see that though? It's a girl. It's not my fault, man. Look at that, baby. This is sweet. Yeah. And see, hey, there's a freaking boat. Look at that. Look at that. There's a freaking boat out there. I don't know if you can see, like, if my face is in the way or something. But there is, like, you know how there's that pristine image quality? There is a boat. Where the hell? That's sweet. It's sweet. All right, I'm going to end it, but look at this today. Oh, wow. Today is a nice one. Come here. You seagull. Flipping seagull. Yeah, dude, for sure. Anyway, just wanted to say hi. See you later.